Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the buffering filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so this filter is in trending section. Check in your trending section and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, now you just have to tap on the screen to trigger this filter. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for loading. Okay, as you see on the top row, the effect icon is there. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see this record button. Tap there to use this filter. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me close this first. Let's go back here. Okay, so visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this buffering filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.